Hello there guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Claude AI to quickly summarize long documents into clear, concise notes. First, log into your Claude AI account and open a new chat. Make sure you have your document ready. It can be text copied from a file or uploaded if your Claude version supports file attachments. Next, paste the text into the chat box or attach the document. For best result, clearly instruct Claude by typing something like summarize this document into bullet points or give me a 200-word summary focusing on key points. Claude will then scan through the content and generate a well-structured summary. You can refine it further by asking for more details, less detail, or even different formats such as a numbered list or a short paragraph. If your document is very large, try splitting it into sections and summarizing each part separately, then combining the summaries for a full overview. Finally, copy the final summary into your preferred app or save it as a document for future reference. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.